Hi, my Week 14 project is all about making this dashboard. This information and data came from my home-based business. For example, I use VLOOKUP like this, so with columns, functions, and if functions also. I also use pivot tables here. This one, so I make a graph and the slicers here in my dashboard, so it's here. So if you just click only female, so you can have the outcome of all females that buy for that product. And for example, only empanadas, chicken empanadas, so it's only one customers. That's this one. I also use advanced chart with title and corresponding title and data. For example, if I check or monitor the product for empanadas, it will appear here and it will change also. It depends on what product would you want to see. So for example, hot choco, so that one. So I have here also a report. It came from this summary came from my report weekly, and all my dashboard came from here with this spreadsheet calculation. So this is the old customer data and my order list. This one, the price list also, and this is my pivot table. So I will hide this one because it's not important here in my project. And here, this is only the dashboard summary calculation, and the most important is this dashboard. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and keep safe, and congratulations everyone.